there, Shinky here, making AI simple, useful, and powerful for you. Today, we're diving into some electrifying tech updates. First up, Meta has hit the brakes on its behemoth AI model, originally set for April. Despite its 2 trillion parameters, internal reviews found it lacking, raising eyebrows over Meta's $72 billion AI investment. This pause highlights a crucial point. Bigger isn't always better in AI. Now, let's talk about Sam Altman's bold vision for ChatGPT. Imagine an AI that's not just a tool, but a lifelong companion, remembering your digital history to offer personalized advice and recommendations. It's a game changer, but it also brings privacy challenges. Altman's vision is inspiring, yet it demands transparency and ethical safeguards. Switching gears, ever wanted to create talking avatars from text? With DID, it's a breeze. Just upload a photo, enter your script, and voila, your avatar is ready to chat. And for those looking to boost productivity, check out these AI tools. Humata for instant PDF answers, Parrot AI for meeting transcriptions, Lalalt AI for music track separation, Colossian for video creation, and HyperWrite for smarter writing. In other news, PayPal and Perplexity AI are teaming up to bring seamless payments to chat interfaces, while Elon Musk's Grok chatbot faced a glitch with controversial outputs, now resolved with stricter safeguards. Plus, Windsurf's SWE1 models are revolutionizing software engineering, and Databricks' acquisition of Neon underscores the rise of AI-driven development. That's all for today. Thanks for tuning in. Until tomorrow, keep exploring the world of AI with us, Shinky and the Hanuman AI team.